What's up guys, welcome to another video. So I want to talk about something really cool in this video, something really quick regarding return on investment when it comes to pay-per-click advertising. In this case, I'm doing Bing, Microsoft ads, and I want to share something really cool with you guys. And I want to share the secret, basically how this whole thing is done when it comes to getting the Bing advertising and just like pay-per-click, right? There are a lot of different elements, but like one thing that is really helping me out. So I want to share the whole thing with you guys and show you what I'm doing. So this is like really crazy. Okay, I want to show you these really interesting campaigns that I'm running, and they're really cheap. Like look at them, like they're in front of me. This is my staging account, by the way. I have two campaigns running. One of them is $3 now, one of them is $2. One of the things I do is that I change the budget all day long. Like I'm not like really letting it stay in that, but sometimes, like for example, one of the things is that sometimes the cost per click goes up, so I bring the budget down. It goes down, I pull the budget up. So like it's like something that I do that helps me to just keep the price balance, and also keep an eye on it because it's a relatively new campaign. So what I want to show you is this. Okay, let me actually pull this out. So as you see, the cost per click here is like anything from like 50 cents to like 40-50 cents. I see it's a very cheap cost per click, and the thing is, these are actually like really good leads because they're generating legit sales. Now I'm not in this particular, I'm talking about this one, the course sell that I'm doing, affiliate marketing super strategies. This is the course I'm selling, and I'm driving 50 cents click, which is really extremely cheap for a pay-per-click ad, especially on like Microsoft Bing advertising. Now let me show you the numbers for the month because I want to show you something. All right, so this ad, this month, as I said, I kind of changed the budget all day long, and I've spent $100 this month, right? And on average, I'm like paying 89 cents so far this month per click. Now here's the crazy part, guys. I have generated 25 conversions this month. 25. Now this is really important. And CPA, cost per action, basically is $4.01. Now here's the crazy part. These conversions are actually sales, and they're $27 a month. These are subscriptions that I'm selling, right? Subscriptions, and let me actually calculate this. So 25 times 27, that is $675 made off of $100 ad spend. This is the power of this strategy that I want to share with you guys. And it's really simple, nothing crazy here. I'm not doing any like black magic or anything. And the product, by the way, I'm selling is Adversity's Adversity's subscription plan. Like this is the basic subscription plan that I'm selling, $27 a month, right? So again, 25 conversions off of $100 ad so far. Like right now it's mid-month, and I've spent like $100 on this, and I've made almost 700 on this. So again, how this is happening and why I'm not increasing the budget. Now, first of all, I'm sure a lot of people are going to ask the question. I'm not increasing the budget because when I increase it, it kind of messes up with the click-through rate, and also messes with the cost per click. I don't like that. And one of the things that I've kind of learned is that you can create multiple campaigns with low budgets. That actually helps a lot. So that's something, I guess, that can help you guys out if you're paying too much for clicks. Now the real strategy is really like, it's all about just putting the time and doing one single thing. And what is this? It's all about negative keywords. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of go to this campaign here, and I'll kind of show you the guts of it, basically. Okay, so what I do is that every day, at the end of the day, I go to this campaign and pull all these clicks that I've had, again, this is the month that is showing, right? So what I do is I check out the campaigns that I've shown impressions, not clicks, impressions. That's really important. So you want to pull it based on impressions here. Okay, so you want to open all of these, just select them, and I mean, I'm not going to do all of it, but like that's the idea. You want to select them, and you want to click search terms. All right, and here you basically want to look at these keywords, right? And you want to basically add the ones that you don't want as negative. Now again, I'm targeting broad here, so I'm not gonna turn it to a phrase, because when you actually do phrase, obviously there are some times that you want to do phrase targeting. Something I do, like phrase exact, I do on my main account. But one of the things you want to do for broad targeting, you don't want to, if you want to convert something to a phrase, you want to do a separate campaign, not even a different ad group, separate campaign completely, right? So like what I do here, because I'm targeting broad, I just focus on negative keywords. I just take out the keywords that I don't want to target and just let Bing, just do, like Microsoft Ads, do the rest of it for me. Like I'm not gonna focus on like finding the right keywords here, right? Because a lot of times when you do advertising, you just like, there's a lot of weird things that you don't notice until you actually run the ads. So like, for example, let's find a bad keyword that I want to get rid of. Like for example, ClickBank accounts affiliate sign up. Like this is completely unrelated, right, to my case. So I don't want this. So I'm just gonna select this. Affiliate sign up. There you go. I don't want that. ClickBank reviews. I don't want that. There's a lot. I don't want to waste your time going through all of this. But like, you just do that. Add as negative keywords, and you want to add a phrase, not exact phrase, and just apply. And ad group level, I usually, like a mistake I did, I actually added it as a campaign or ad group level. You want to add it as a campaign level in case if you want to create more ad groups later on in the campaign. For example, like let's do one more here. Let me see. I think I added this. Like here, you want to select campaign level, just apply. So yeah, so just like that, guys. So all I do all day long, at the end of the day, when the ad is like about to like roll over to the next day, I just go and find these bad keywords and get rid of them. And you end up with this huge list of negative keywords that you can use in any ad that you run. But like this is going to significantly optimize your ads and allow you to get these really cheap conversions. In my case, I'm paying like $4 for a 27 subscription. Not a sale, a subscription. So that means it's going to pay me more in next months to come. And the Versity subscriptions are really sticky. So like people on average stay 12 months. That's a lot of money per one $4 lead, right? So again, check this out, guys. This is something I definitely recommend. Also, if you want to learn more, I'm going to leave a link for you in the description. That's something that, is going to take you to a course that I recommend checking out on Versity, if you want to learn Bing advertising right, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing, you want to, learn it the correct way. I definitely recommend checking out that course. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. I'm posting videos. I'm posting more videos, and just posting all this stuff that I find interesting that can be helpful to you guys. So subscribe and like this video. Maybe leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video, guys.